Top online resources for Java certification preparation. Java certification online courses. One of the best ways to prepare for your Java certification exam is by taking online courses. Platforms like iCertGlobal offer comprehensive Java certification courses that cover all the necessary topics you need to know to pass the exam. Java certification study materials. In addition to online courses, it's essential to have access to study materials to reinforce your learning. Websites like Oracle, JavaPoint, and Java Code Geeks offer a wide range of study materials, including tutorials, practice exercises, and sample questions to help you prepare effectively. Java certification practice tests. To gauge your readiness for the Java certification exam, taking practice tests is crucial. Websites like iCertGlobal offer a variety of practice tests that simulate the actual exam environment, allowing you to identify your strengths and weaknesses. Java certification mock exams. Another beneficial resource for Java certification preparation is taking mock exams. Platforms like iCertGlobal offer mock exams that closely resemble the actual certification exam, helping you build confidence and reduce test anxiety. Java certification study guides. Books like OCA Java SE8 Programmer I Certification Guide by Mala Gupta and Java Certification Prep with Java 8 OCA Oracle Certified Associate Java SE8 Programmer I Study Guide by Scott Selikoff are highly recommended for thorough exam preparation. Conclusion. In conclusion, by utilizing the top online resources for Java certification preparation mentioned in this video, you can confidently prepare for and pass your Java certification exam with flying colors. Remember to stay focused, practice regularly, and leverage the study materials and practice tests available online to ace your exam and kickstart your career as a certified Java professional.